Hey guys, here I am again. Oh, there. Here I am, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a standalone 8-track out of a 66 Mercury Parklane. Just a standalone 8-track. There's no radio or anything to test. This comes from James in Bronte, Texas. Hope I'm pronouncing that city correctly. Bronte, Bronte, Texas. And James has just requested a repair to original stock, so we're here to make sure it works before we send her back. So I've got her ready to play some Neil Sedaka here. So.
Get your kicks. Get out. Got a one-way ticket to Hollywood to take your You're the answer. Blow some cash. Gonna look man. I go 8. At last, my search is through.
And there we go. That's all there is to test. It's a quick test. There's no virtual front rear fader, no conversion, no AM, FM, nothing like that. It's just test it and send it on through. So that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And before calling me with a bunch of questions, please download and print the work order off the home page of that website, because that'll answer all your questions about my options, prices, including options for turn time. And that way, if you'd like to call, it's just a quick how you doing, get to know me and trust me type call, or maybe you've got some kind of last minute question. But as far as answering the same 15-minute series of questions from each new customer, it's just not practicable anymore. I got to be on the bench where the work gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone. So please do that research before calling me with questions. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you, James, from your business from Bronte, Texas. And we'll see you guys next time. It's 4:15 in the morning, so I'm not really all up to proper speech just yet. Thanks again, guys.